Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about frog. What is the frog class? Amphibia, right? Right. Amphibian. What is mean of amphibian? Amphi means dual mode. Bio means life, right? Dual mode of life mean the animal which can survive within the water as well as which can survive on the land, terrestrial, right? Hence it is called as what? Amphibian. What is mean of amphibian? Dual mode of life. What is it? Dual mode of life, right? If we can go with first systematic position of the frog, you know very well about what the phylum? What is the phylum? Chordata. You know why? Because of it's a notochord animal, right? Next one, class amphibian. What is mean of amphibian? Dual mode of life, right? Dual mode of life. Very good. And next one, you know scientific name of frog, Rana tigrina, right? Genus Rana and species is tigrina. Good, right? This one. And next one, if we can discuss more about Rana tigrina, is the common species in India, right? And it is commonly called as Indian bullfrog. What is it? Indian bullfrog, Rana tigrina, right? And you know very well, all of you students, fishes, amphibians, and reptiles all are cold-blooded or warm-blooded. Cold-blooded means boil terms. They cannot maintain constant environment in the body, right? Or they can maintain? No. They cannot maintain constant environment, right? Definitely. Good. And there is cold-blooded animal, right? And next one, they can change the color to hide them from their enemies. Nothing but escape from the predator. For example, have you ever seen like camouflage of frog? Definitely, if you can observe the frog within the at the time of rainfall, rainy season, right? So suddenly you can find out a frog there, right? While it is jumping within the water only. At that time of jumping within the water only, you can find out the frog whether it is there or not. So అప్పుడు వరకు మనకి ఫ్రాగ్ ఉన్నట్టు తెలియదు అసలు యాక్చువల్గా. మనం వాటర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అక్కడ ఫ్రాగ్ ఒకసారి వాటర్ జంప్ అయినప్పుడు మనకు తెలుస్తుంది అక్కడ ఫ్రాగ్ ఉందని. ఎందుకు అంటే ఆ వాటర్ కలర్ కానీ ఆ ఫ్రాగ్ కలర్ కానీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎల్లో కలర్ లోనే ఉంటాయి, రైట్? అండ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ల్యాండ్ ఏ కలర్ ఉందో ఆల్మోస్ట్ సాయిల్ ఏ కలర్ ఉంటుంది, బ్లాక్ కలర్ ఇది ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆ కలర్ లోనే ఉంటుంది అనమాట, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ చేంజ్ దేర్ బాడీ కలర్. వై? Escape from the enemies is one thing. And next one, capturing of prey also easy. You know, adult frog we are discussing. Frogs are carnivorous or omnivorous? Carnivores. Carnivores mean which will eat insects only. Which will eat insects, right? Very good. So that is what. And that kind of phenomenon is called as what? Camouflage. Camouflage means what? Change their body color. Very good, right? And this protective coloration is also called as what? Mimicry. What is it? Mimicry, right? And during the summer, you know very well about a frog which undergoes inactivation of life at some stages. Basically in two seasons. One is the summer sleep, next one is the winter sleep, right? And you know why? Because of they cannot tolerate, as they are cold-blooded animal, they cannot tolerate such kind of harsh conditions. Such kind of harsh conditions cannot tolerate by frog. Hence they are entering into what? Burrows within the soil. That is what? Sleep, inactivation of life, right? So that is about two types. One is estivation and hibernation, right? I will tell you how it is. If you can describe frog, frog is a carnivorous or omnivorous? Carnivorous. It's a carnivorous, right? And next one we are discussing about the nature, like which undergoes the sleeping. Sleep. Some two types. What are those? One is estivation. Next one is what? Hibernation. Right? Estivation is nothing but Summer sleep. What is it?
Summer sleep.
Summer sleep. And hibernation is nothing but what?
Winter sleep.
Winter sleep. Right? Estivation means what? Summer sleep. Hibernation means winter sleep. In summer there is a high temperature. In winter there is a low temperature. They cannot tolerate, and they have to enter into burrows for inactivation of life. Correct, all of you? That is what about the sleeping stage of the frog, right? And simply you can remember like ash. ASHW, ash. You know why? Estivation is summer sleep, hibernation is winter sleep. Right, all of you? Correct? That is what the sleep. Why it has to get inactivation? Because of they cannot tolerate harsh conditions. Tells summer high temperature unte then body metabolic activity maintain avadu, and they have to go to sleeping stage within the burrows, right? Alage winter stage lo kuda harsh conditions ante like very low temperature edaithe undo adi tattukoledu kabatti they have to enter into the burrows. Okay, right. And next one, you know very well about is only introduction. What is it? Introduction. Next one, morphology and anatomy we have discussed, right? So first we have discussed morphology. Morphology means what? External. What is it? External features. How could you find it, right? I will tell you, like, I will show you here. Webbed feet are there. Webbed feet, right? It's about web is present here. You know why? Which helps in swimming. What is it? Swimming. If the presence of web, there is no chance to sinking. Avana kada? Munugutundi adi munigipothundi, right? So andukane adi help avutundi anamata, right? So both forewings and hind wings, right? Here the presence of what? What is it here? Tympanum. What is it? Tympanum. And above the mouth, right? Above the mouth. For us also see a pair of what? Nostrils, and here also see which helps in what? Respiration. What is it? Respiration, breathing part. Okay. Above the mouth and below the mouth. Above the mouth. Here also say, right? It's about tympanum, which represent what? Ear. Right? There is no external ear in that, right? And another one, eyes. A pair of eyes, and the two bulged eyes. What is it? Bulged eyes means which will comes out like somewhat, right? And that is covered by one of the membrane called nictitating membrane. What is it? Nictitating membrane. It's a transparent membrane. What is it? Transparent membrane. Okay, na? Chala transparent ga untadante kannu bayati kanipista untadi anamata, right? So that will be helpful whenever the frog within the water. Mana water ki velte mana kallu kanipistaya? Endukante water lo kallu వాటర్ లైక్ కళ్ళలోకి వాటర్ వెళ్ళిపోతాయి కాబట్టి, అవునా? రైట్. అలానే ఇక్కడ కూడా దాని బాడీలోకి లైక్ ఏదైతే ఐ ఉందో దాని లోపలికి వెళ్తాయి కాబట్టి వాటర్ అలా డిస్టర్బ్ అవ్వకుండా వాటిని కవర్ చేస్తూ ఒక ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ ఏంటది? ఒక ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ మెంబ్రెయిన్ ఉంది. దాని పేరు ఏం పేరు చెప్పండి? నిక్టిటేటింగ్ మెంబ్రెయిన్. See loudly all of you. Nictitating membrane. Got it? Very good. Right? This is what the diagram. And not only that, it's about morphology we are discussing, and it consists of even dark color spots on their body. Alright. So external features. How would you find an external? Right? What are the external features are they? Like nostrils and even eye, pair of eye bulges, even tympanum, and next one limbs, four limbs and hind limbs, as it is a first tetrapod animal, right? What is mean of tetrapod? Four-legged animals. Correct? Right. So it's about totally it's 1, 2, and there is one, and here also. Totally how many? 4 limbs. I mean totally we can find out easily like 2 pairs of limbs, 4 limbs and hind limbs. Very good, right? It's about morphology. And next one, what is the body division? Based on diagram, you have to find out. Head is there. And next one, what? Trunk. Tail is there. Head and trunk is the body division, right? Tail and neck is opposite, right or wrong? Okay, please mention it. Very important point of us. So body division is divided into what? What are those? Head and trunk only. Next, tail and neck are absent or present? Tail and neck are absent. Only body division is what? Head and trunk, as we see in the diagram also, right? And next point, skin is moist. Skin is moist, smooth and slippery. You know why slippery? Because of the presence of what? Mucus on the membrane. Okay, mucus membrane untundi. So mucus and valla slippery ga untadi. Slippery ga untadi. Okay, right, that's one. And next one, color of dorsal. You can find out here. What is the color? Right. At the same time, you can find out here ventral part. Got it? Dorsal is what? Animal alone. Dorsal is what? Olive green, right? And the ventral yellow. Pale yellow. What is it? Pale yellow. You can find it here, right? So that is what. And the color of dorsal side is olive green with the dark irregular spots. What I showed you now. And next one, ventral side is what? Pale yellow. Pale yellow color. Got it, all of you? And next one, you know very about the statement. Frog never drink water. Frog never drinks water, but they can absorb through what? Skin. They can absorb through skin. That's it, right? That's what they are mentioning here. Never drinks water, right? But absorb through skin. Next one, a mouth, a pair of nostrils, and bile eyes covered by what? Pituitary membrane. Only for bile eyes, right? Are present. Mouth is present. A pair of nostrils are present, and a pair of bile eyes are present. And next one, eyes are covered by what? Nictitating membrane. It's a transparent or non-transparent? Transparent membrane. Whenever it will be useful for that, whenever the frog within the water. Nictitating membrane epudu use avutanda water lo unnappudu aa water కంటిలోకి పోకుండా వాటికి ఐస్ లోకి పోకుండా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఓకేనా? రైట్, దట్స్ ఇట్. సో మనం కూడా ఈవెన్ లెన్స్ వేసుకొని వాటర్ లోకి వెళ్తే మనకు కనిపిస్తా ఉంటాం అవునా కదా? దట్స్ ఇట్. హియర్ ఆల్సో సేస్, రైట్? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఆన్ either side of eyes, as I thought you know, either side of eyes, right? What? It's structure called what? Tympanum. Tympanum represent what? Here, which can find out vibrations from the surrounding. Got it? That is what. And next one, forelimbs and hind limbs. How many totally? 2 pairs, right? And the next one, each limb, right? It's about 4 limbs are with how many digits? Could you please find out? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many digits? 4 digits. But hind limbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how many digits? 5 digits. 4 limbs with 4 digits. Hind limbs with 5 digits. And another one, you know very well, both four limbs and hind limbs are webbed foot. Okay, clear, webbed feet. And next one, you know, in the case of male frog, like as they do have 4 digits in the forelimb. In the first digit, here it is, right? In the first digit, there is the presence of nupital pad, also called as copulatory pads. What is it? Copulatory. Copulation helps in what? Copulation, right? So nupital pads, also called as copulatory pads, are present here in the both forelimbs of the male frog or female frog? Only male frog here. In the first digit or last digit? First digit. Forelimbs or hind limbs? Forelimbs. In the forelimbs, first digit, right? The presence of a structure is called what? Copulatory pad only in the male, which helps in what? Copulation. I will discuss with you later about this. Okay? Right. Right. Next one. You know very well here. Forelimbs, right? And actual hind limbs with the 4 digit and hind like 5 digit, which helps in what? Swimming, walking, leaping, and burrowing. Leaping means which can jump, right? That's it. So that's the help about the forelimbs and hind limbs. Next one, the hind limbs are larger and muscular than forelimbs. Hind should be larger and muscular, right? Which helps in like locomotion or jumping, right? Next one, feet have every feet or not? And web disease that helps in what? Swimming. Even if we have here, there is no chance of sinking. మనకున్న కానీ మనం నీళ్ళలో మునిగిపోం అర్థమవుతుందా we can swim right we can always float right next one frogs is bit what sexual dimorphism means what sexes are separate or not sexes are separate so male and female will be different okay right okay that was good next one the male frog which can use sounds by the presence of vocal sacs are present in male frog by that they can give sounds beka you know very well right so arje kapalani maga kapalu right you know why because of attract female I will discuss with you later about this right and next one and the male frog have sound producing vocal sacs and also copulatory in the first disease or second disease first disease right which helps in copulation and definitely in the first disease and limbs definitely those which are absent in female frogs right all of you right this is what about the morphology and next one if you can go with the anatomy what is it anatomy right here you can see that first we have to say about digestive system before going to digestive system you know very well about amphibian means frog is a like organ system level or organ level organ system level means having of different types of systems that they have right different types of systems like even digestion circulation respiration excretion nervous and reproduction all the systems are there that is what anatomy in that first we have discussed about what digestive system right so you know very well about digestive system of even earthworm or cockroach or frog first what you have to write which consists of alimentary canal and associated glands right alimentary canal right alimentary canal means which is extended from mouth to anus what does mean of alimentary it's a nutrient what is it nutrient it's a nutrient carrying canal hence it is called as alimentary canal guide all of you right alimentary canal which is extended from mouth to anus here also same right and associated gland mean definitely digestive glands right even HCl gastric juice right even hepatic juice right from the where like hepatic juice from the liver mean bile juice right and next one pancreatic juice all are associated gland which helps in digestion guide all of you right and here I will show you about the first one digestion which consists of what
alimentary canal
alimentary canal and associated glands alimentary canal which is extend from where to where
mouth to anus
it's extend from mouth to anus right associated glands are nothing but what digestive glands which helps in what digestion got all of you right first I will discuss with you each one listen to all of you first we have to take about right first mouth which is extend mouth to anus right and before that I would like to say something about frog is a carnivore or omnivore carnivore which will eat insect and you have to know another one at that time of tadpole larval stage they can feed on plants and plant products mean herbivore digestive system is long mean alimentary canal is long right and the size of I will show you here this is what tadpole larva of frog what is it tadpole larva of frog right and you know very well which undergoes metamorphosis and transform into what adult frog got it by the process called metamorphosis right and at that time of larval stage they can feed on plant and plant product, and the two herbivore or carnivore? Herbivore. And intestine should be long or short? Long. I'm telling you about based on the body size. Okay, right. And next one, if you can go with the adult, like whenever it transforms into metamorphosis, like adult frog, right? So frog feed on what? Insects, mean carnivore. Alimentary canal is short or long? Short. Just imagine what a wonder in between tadpole stage and adult stage. Larva stage is herbivore and adult stage is what? Carnivore. Here intestine is long, here intestine is short. And we will have to discuss more features, both like even tadpole larva and adult frog. Here you can see that tail is present. Yes or no? But here tail is absent. And another features. They can respire through what? Gills. But here pulmonary, skin, and a buccal cavity. Okay, right. And next one, they will have a fins for what? Swimming. But here they will have a what? Legs. Got it? And those are ammonotelic. These are uricotelic. Right? And those are two-chambered. These are three-chambered. One variation because of those, all the features are as like as fishes because of fishes gives rise to amphibians. Got it? Got all of you? Right? This one. So definitely, as we are discussing here about the point, tell me all of you, like intestine will be short or long in the adult? Short. Short because of its feed on
Carnivore.
insects. As it is called as what?
Carnivore.
Carnivores. Good. Now you have to tell me, mouth opens into what? Buccal cavity. What is it? Buccal cavity. Here also same. Mouth opens into what? Oral cavity or buccal cavity. Buccal cavity opens into esophagus through what? Pharynx. Sensitivity line. Buccal cavity opens into what? Pharynx. Pharynx opens into? Pharynx opens into what? Esophagus. Pharynx also same, right? Esophagus opens into where? Stomach. And here also same. Right. Next one. Stomach which is open into what? Intestine. Intestine is about both small and large, right? Small intestine which consists of duodenum, right? And the large intestine which consists of what? Rectum. What is it? Rectum, right? Directly entering into it. And finally which enter into rectum. And based on diagram we can find out. Rectum opens into where? Cloaca. Cloaca opens out as a cloacal aperture. This is what. Got it? Tell me all of you. First one. Mouth opens into where? Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity opens into pharynx. Pharynx opens into esophagus. Esophagus opens into stomach. Stomach opens into intestine, a part of small intestine, right? Next one, it's open into large intestine like rectum. Rectum opens into cloaca. Cloaca opens out through the what? Cloacal aperture. Right? I will tell you one by one. First one, mouth which is open into buccal cavity. Buccal cavity opens into pharynx. Right? So after pharynx, which is entering into where? Esophagus. Esophagus opens into stomach. Here, stomach which consists of the one is HCl and next one is gastric juice. Stomach which consists of what? HCl and gastric juice, right? And next one, all of is here. Stomach opens into where? Intestine. What is it? Intestine. You can find out the diagram. I will show you that. You can see it here. It's what stomach is about. What? Intestine. A part of stomach up to here. It's about duodenum. What is it? Is Listen to me, all of you. Duodenum receive what? Bile juice. What is it? Bile juice. As well as what? Another one, what? Hepatic juice also. What is it? Hepatic juice. From the hepatic. Means pancreatic juice, right? Let me know. First one, duodenum receive what? Bile juice. At the same, it's also receive what? Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice, which helps in digestion of carbohydrates and protein. Right? Bile juice, which helps in emulsification of fats, as like as human being. Got it, all of you? For us also same. Right? What is the function of bile juice? Helps in emulsification of fats. Very good. Next one. What is the use of pancreatic juice? Digestion of carbohydrates and protein. Got it? That's it, right? And the next one. One of the food entered into duodenum mean definitely here HCl and the next one gastric juice. But then there is a chance to the food which is digested and the partially digested food is called as what? Chyme. What is it? Chyme. The chyme should be entered into where? Duodenum. That is of you. Intestine part, right? And as well as one of the chyme entered into duodenum, it's received what? First one what? Bile juice. And other side from what? Pancreatic juice. Right? Those chyme which is further digestion takes place by the both pancreatic juice as well as bile juice. Bile juice which helps in emulsification of fat, means fat digestion, and next one pancreatic juice which helps in carbohydrates and protein digestion. Right? So protein digestion and products are nothing but what? Amino acids which gives energy, right? And carbohydrate end products are glucose. What is it? Glucose. You know, right? That's it. This one. And next one. The food which is almost absorbed here only. Got all of you? Food will be absorbed. Meat. Do you know very well? Wall of the intestine consists of a finger-like projections called what? Villi and microvilli, which helps in absorption in human being, right? Same here also. Here, one of the intestine consists of a finger-like projections called what? Villi, which helps in what? Absorption of the digested food, right? Okay. Digested food is absorbed. Remaining undigested waste should be sent enter into where? What? Rectum. Rectum within what? Cloaca. Cloaca sent out to the what? Cloaca aperture to out. The solid waste which is sent out to the anus, like it's a location of cloaca, cloaca to cloaca aperture. Right, all of you? That's it. This is what about digestive system of frog. Right, all of you? I will show you the statements here also same. Right? One by one. See it here, all of you. See it here. Mouth open into what? Buccal cavity open into pharynx. Pharynx open into esophagus open into stomach into open into intestine open into rectum. Rectum into cloaca. Cloaca to out. Right? And next one, liver secrete water juice, bile juice, and then stored in alveolar gas in the human being. Right? And next one, pancreas produce what? Pancreatic juice, which containing digestive enzymes, which helps in digestion of what? Carbohydrates and protein. And next one, food is captured by the bilobed tongue. It's like somewhat, but it which capturing of the prey, right? And next one, gastric juice and HCl secreted from gastric wall digest the food as we discussed now. And next one, partial digestion food is called what? Chyme. Chyme from stomach is passed into intestine. Intestine receive what? Bile juice as well as pancreatic juice, which helps in further digestion. Digestion of fat by the bile juice, emulsification, and next one, carbohydrates and protein takes place by the pancreatic juice, right? And duodenum receive bile and pancreatic juice through a common bile duct, right? Bile emulsify the fats, pancreatic juice digest carbohydrates and proteins, right? Digestion completes in the intestine because of what are the complete digestion that can be absorbed by the wall of the finger-like portions called what? Villi and microvilli, right? And the finger-like villi and microvilli in the intestine absorb digested food. the undigested solid waste moves into the rectum, passes out through the cloaca to cloacal aperture to out. Right, or this is what the system called what? First one. What is it? Digestive system. Right? And next one what? Second one? Respiratory system. Okay? Right. Just 5 minutes. Okay? Right. Skin also respires.
Yes, sir.
Right? Through moist skin they can respire. Hence it is called as cutaneous respiration. What is it? Cutaneous respiration. Right? Very good. And they can respire in another ways also. One is what? Buccal cavity, right? And the third one is what? Pulmonary. What is it? Pulmonary. A pair of lungs, pinkish lungs, are which is located in the thorax region of the frog. Okay? Right here also same. Skin which act as a what? Aquatic respiratory organ because of whenever the frog within the water, and sometimes they can respire by the skin whenever it's present on land also, up to the moisture present in the body. అంటే బాడీ మీద మాయిశ్చర్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ మాయిశ్చర్ అంతవైపు టెరెస్ట్రియల్ మీద అంటే నేల మీద కూడా అది స్కిన్ ద్వారా రెస్పిరేషన్ చేసుకోవడం. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఆక్వాటిక్, మేజర్ ఏంటంటే ఆక్వాటిక్. ఓకేనా? స్కిన్ విచ్ ఆక్సిజన్, రైట్? అండ్ dissolved oxygen definitely what are the presence in the water that can be exchanged through the skin by the process called diffusion. It's a gases, definitely should be diffusion, right? During estivation, you know very well estivation. And next one what? Hibernation. Just imagine if the frog undergoes within the soil, means burrows, okay? Soil లోపల ఉందనుకోండి, అక్కడ లంగ్స్ అండ్ పల్మనరీ రెస్పిరేషన్ చేసుకోగలదా? చేసుకోలేదు. బట్ ఆ సరౌండింగ్ లో ఆ సాయిల్ లో మాయిశ్చర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, తేమగా ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ మాయిశ్చర్ తో ఏం చేస్తుంటే త్రూ స్కిన్, ఏంటిది? త్రూ స్కిన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్. అంటే whenever the presence in the resting state, అంటే ఇన్యాక్టివేషన్ స్టేట్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫ్రాగ్ రెస్పిరేషన్ చేసే ఒకే ఒక ఆర్గన్ ఏంటంటే స్కిన్. స్కిన్ is the respiratory organ in the estivation as well as the hibernation. Guide all of you. Good. You can see it here. Estivation as well as the hibernation, respiration takes place through the skin. Got it? On land, definitely you know very well. Buccal cavity is the first one, and next one skin also sometime up to the presence of moisture content, right? And third one is main one what? Lungs. Main what? Pulmonary respiration. You can find it here. Buccal cavity, skin, and lungs mean pulmonary respiration. Act as a respiratory organ whenever present on the land. Then tell me what is the respiratory organ whenever the frog present within the water? Skin. Skin is the respiratory organ. Hence they are mentioning about aquatic respiratory organ. Got it? Fine. And next one, the lungs are a pair of elongated pink colored sac-like structure. You find out here. Sac, right or wrong? Pink color or not, right? Pair or single? The pair of sac-like pink color structures called what? Tell me what are those?
Lungs.
Lungs. Got it? You can see that, right? Elongated pink colored sac-like structure present in the thorax region, as I taught you now. Lungs are here only, right? And next one, air enters through the nostrils. Nostrils into where? First one, nostrils to buccal cavity to where? Lungs. Got it? This is what? Air from where? First one, nostril into buccal cavity, open into lungs. This is what one kind of respiratory system of frog, right? Frog respire in how many ways? Almost 3 ways. One is the buccal cavity, next one is through moist skin, and third one is what?
Lungs.
Lungs means pulmonary respiration. It's enough. Remaining topic we'll discuss on tomorrow. Thank you very much.